Hello guys, what's up and welcome to back another new video. So my name is Amir Muammer. So in this video we are discuss you about tech gadget that feel like future technology. So before start this video, we are request you please subscribe our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos. So we are daily uploading our best interesting and informative videos our YouTube channel. Some gadget does not look like advanced. This generally feel like they can like just catching out sci-fi movies in 2026. AI, robot, animated reality, and website combine finally reaching the point where future technology is coming for the real customer and e-based. So they are a company shape how work, communication, travel, learning, and AI lives according to the global technology. Technology reports is the biggest future breaking will be like some one of the technology. That be AI, automated human and so some of the coolest tech gadgets are the likely future right now. AI, smart glass, modern smart glass are become one of the most future website categories and derived from the campaign like Commit, X-ray, and transaction language in the real time answering question through AI assistants, live streaming your point of view in your point of view. So one of the most and important future technology is affiliate marketing is already so affiliate marketing is already so is technology is affiliate marketing already changed content creation, healthcare, business, and education for the smart tech software development. But the software development is live with so one of the beginning. So my dear friends, real life powerful expose we help people walk logging decision is its left heavy loads and reduce figures. Some talking can be synchronized with the human movement in the figures of the second. AI using powerful movement comparison is feel according close to the movie technology from the like movies Man, Iron Man, and Age of Tomorrow. One of the more futuristic technology that robot and automation will be also shape the global performance future and already robot but can the future maybe work in some time hospital research farm and the technology dangers. Human robots are become for the realistic and customer AR. So specialized computer device combine automatic reality, virtual reality, and AI into the digital environment. Listen of the using transaction screens using internal with apps that actually workspace and the 3D interfaces around to the product. Another resolution technology is a combination that link so computer process information using bets. So educations are using comfort bets and equipped with solve creating problems and faster. So, science fiction research and chemical production almost will develop in combined like IBM and they are all build powerful questions. So biometric and the general maybe completely of the reduction LED screen and the future of smartphone macro become the more common displays than AI which measure the like skin health and future baby fitness in the real time. The gadgets are the likes in the baby the future movie sets. So modern smartphone risk to the tracking of the hard read and stream recovery technology and actually technology actually 10 inches, so some will hoping begin to the almost remaining. So that is our video.